Hello, hello. I have had a few people ask me about helping them out with gang sheets and how to use them in Canva. So I'm going to be as quick and as brief as I can. I'm on the ABI design page, ABI Designs web page. We're going to go over here to the custom DTFs. I just want y'all to see the sizes you can choose. Megan offers 22, that's your width, by 24 up to 60 inches in length, so height. Um, this is my Canva page. This is what it looks like when I pull it up. I'm on my laptop. If you use the app, that'll work as well. I use this because all my resources are here. A lot of my uploads and my pictures, everything I use is on my laptop. So just real quick, you want to go to Create a Design, scroll all the way down to the plus sign where it says Custom Size. You want to change this from pixels to inches, and we're going to do let's do 22 by 36. I live in the country. My internet is slow, so y'all bear with me. So we pulled up this 22 by 36-inch canvas that we're going to work on. I'm just making it a little bit bigger so y'all can see it easier. You want to go all the way over to the left-hand side to this menu here. Go down to Uploads. This is where you will upload all of your designs that you want to have printed into PDF. Um, I'm sorry, DTF. You want to make sure that you're uploading pings, PNG, ping only. No PDF, no JPEG, no TIFFs, nothing. You don't want that white background. It needs to be a clear, transparent, clear picture. 300 DPI is best. Um, I've already I've been working with a lot of files already this week. Um, Click on to upload your pictures. You want to click on upload files just like you would upload anything to your computer, only you're uploading it to Canva. So click here, you'll choose your images, and they'll magically appear. You can drag and drop, or you can click on it and it'll automatically appear. Now we want to size this to the appropriate size to fit the shirt for your order. This one's 11 inches. And as you pull the corner up, you'll see that the little black box is changing size. That's your size changer. They'll tell you where you're at. I want this to be 11 inches. So there we go. And you want to utilize the space of this canvas. You want every bit of space filled with as much ink as you can get on there. Now, you want to move it up, but you don't want it like I have it. You don't want it on the edge. You've got to have just a little bit of a margin. There we go. I think that'll be perfect. And so now what you want to do is just start pulling those images in. So let's click this. I also want this probably around 10 and a half. 11 will be fine. Will it fit there? It will not. So we're going to pull this one right underneath. Now, I could pull it up just to utilize space, and some of you are going to be okay with that. You're going to be okay with taking your scissors and making a little zigzag cut. I like my prints to be flush straight across on the top. That's me. You do it your way. You do you. I'm going to pull in this coffee. Oh, the perfect example. Let me make it a little bit smaller. I need some pockets of this one. But do you see this space from the edge to the print where the print is? This is negative space, y'all, and you want to get rid of it. So you want to come up here, click crop, and you want to just crop these up, and you pull this up and over. And we're going to pull this one over and down. Perfect. Now to click off of this, I just click uh, the canvas, and I need pockets. I need 4 of these. I need them 4 inches. There we go. I'm going to pull it up here. Use a keyboard and copy and paste because I'm old school. And I need 4 of these, so I'm going to collect or group those together. Copy and print. Paste, excuse me. All right. So pretty much all you want to do is just start filling these in what you need. Like I need this. I've got to crop this one as well. Okay. Let's click crop. If y'all have never used Canva, they have a free version. Get it and play around with it. It's awesome. And this one needs to be 11 inches. Oh, excuse me. And as you can see, it's not going to fit here. I could move it down to, no, I don't think I can move it to the bottom. Nope. But what I can do, this is where your old Tetris and Dr. Mario Dr. Mario come into play. You just like Tetris, you just make it fit. We turn it sideways. And I need this one for my nephew. Let me show you. There's snow in this one, and you can't see it because your canvas is white. So let's change the color of our canvas. And you see the little specks of snow? We want those in there. And golly gee, this has to be cropped as well because I don't want to use that negative space for nothing. All right. It looks pretty good. I need it 8 inches because this is for my precious nephew. He thinks Star Wars hung the moon. I'm going to leave it here for right now. I might need to move it up here, just depending on what else we've got going on. I do need this cruise life. I have friends taking a Christmas cruise. I'm extremely jealous. And this one actually needs to be 11. It's not going to fit there. Will it fit at the bottom? See, this is perfect. Now, when you go to cut this, this one's going to have a little bit of a whoop. I guess it's not that bad, but boy, it irks me. And I'm going to put this up here only because it works really good there. And then we can probably, I actually don't think we can go back and remove that. Y'all are kind of getting the understanding of how to do this. You just want to make things fit. What size is this? Let's do 6 inches for a youth shirt. And let's turn it to make it fit. Perfect. All right, so y'all get the picture, right? Let's move this back to a white. Okay, Kathy, where's the canvas? There we go. Let's move this back to a white canvas so you can see what's on there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 DTFs for, what is that, $18? It's amazing. Go up here. We've done a few of these. We're going to make this sheet 3, save it. You want to click on share to download it because you want to download this to your computer. So you go down and click download. It's going to pop up. You want this to be PNG. Make sure that your background is transparent. Click download. Save this to your computer. Once it's saved, it's going to pop up and tell you to save it. It's going to save it to my computer for me. Go back to the ABI page. This is just for those of you who've never uploaded to ABI before. We want to change this to 22 by 36 because that's the size we chose. See over here, right up here, 22 by 36. It has to match. If it doesn't match, you're out of luck because Megan is going to print the file that you send her. And do you see, you can see this on a black background. If you see a big white box, if you see, white in your image and any of these images, you've done something wrong. You have the wrong file extension. You need to have a PNG. It's so, so important. Okay, it'll turn green here in just a second. There you go. Add it to cart. Checkout as normal. So there you have it. That is how you put a PNG into Gang Sheet and Tetris it out, y'all. I hope that this is helpful. If you need anything, message me privately. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out.